We'll guide you through how to withdraw your payouts from Gumroad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gumroad's website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to the dashboard by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll see the Payout option on the left-hand menu. Click on it. This section shows your current balance and payout history. To withdraw funds, make sure your payout method is set up correctly. On the Payout page, there should be a section to add or edit your payment method. You can choose between PayPal or direct bank transfer, depending on your preference. Enter the required details for your chosen method, like your PayPal email or your bank account information. Once everything is set up, you can request a payout. If your account balance meets Gumroad's minimum payout threshold, you'll see an option to request payout. Click on it and follow any additional prompts to confirm the transaction. Gumroad usually processes payouts on a weekly basis, so keep an eye on your linked account for the funds to appear. If you encounter any issues, double-check your payment details and ensure your account is in good standing. Remember, keeping your payment information up to date is crucial for smooth transactions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.